He's losing his taffy. Oh, look his thumb. He's trying to get.
Companies or whatever, but this time, just, I get all these things in the mail.